Cheapest places to get brakes done. Our cars should all have good and efficient brakes. Without them, we'd be crashing into anything as we drive. And that is the reason why we should know the cheapest places to get brakes done in case of any issues. You want a mechanic who knows what he's doing and uses durable parts when replacing brakes. Therefore, you should know the right place to achieve this. Well, in this video, you'll get to know the cheapest places to get your brakes done. But before we get to that, we'll take a look at how to choose a place for a cheap brake job. And at the end, the cost to complete a brake job will be discussed. How to choose a place for a cheap brake job. 1. Compare shops' estimates. You should get estimates and compare prices to ensure you are getting the best service for an affordable price because they can be quite expensive. 2. Research parts. Expect to pay much more if you prefer OEM brake pads or if you want something high performance. To ensure you are getting a quality replacement, do your research on the company if you choose aftermarket brake pads because they are less expensive. 3. Read reviews of other customers. Make sure the shop is capable of performing quality brake work. Reading customer reviews is another good way to determine whether a company has unstated hidden costs. 3. Look for discounts. There are several places where you may get deals and coupons for auto maintenance, including brake servicing. Give a call and find out what's available if you are unable to locate anything there. If they need your business, they might offer you a discount. Now, let's have a look at the cheapest places to get your brakes done. 1. Midas. The first cheapest place to get your brakes done on this list is Midas. A front or rear brake pad replacement at Midas typically costs around $300. However, this cost varies depending on what car you are driving and where you reside. The best aspect of Midas is the ability to request an online quote before engaging in any services. The second on our list is Jiffy Lube. Jiffy Lube charges different amounts depending on where you reside, what kind of car you drive, and what has to be done. However, brake pad replacement for each axle tends to be around $300. On the website, there are frequently some brief promotions that you might benefit from. 3. Pep Boys. Another one of the cheapest places to get brakes done is Pep Boys. At Pep Boys, qualified technicians are also available. You might pay $350 per axle for a standard brake service, but the work is covered by a lifetime warranty on the parts and includes an inspection. The brake fluid can also be replaced if you choose the premium service, which costs a little extra. You might have more options for pads and rotors at Pep Boys because they also sell auto parts. High-performance brake pads will increase the price, though. The fourth on the list is Firestone Complete Auto Care. Among the cheapest places to get brakes done, the least expensive choice could be Firestone, but there aren't as many locations as with some of our other options. The standard brake service includes resurfacing the rotors and Wagner brake pads and a thorough inspection. Additionally, they offer a lifetime warranty on the brake pads and a 12-month, 12,000-mile labor warranty. Depending on the service you choose, the more expensive services may include brake fluid exchange and better warranty coverage. And lastly, we have the local repair shop. When having your brakes fixed, you might also consider your neighborhood repair shops. However, as you will need to check locally, we won't be able to assist you in getting an estimate for this one. Get your brakes fixed at your neighborhood repair shop if you already have a reliable mechanic and repair shop. In terms of brakes, we do not advise choosing the least expensive option. It's critical for your safety when driving and is an integral component of how your car works. Go to a repair shop you can trust to do a decent job, whether they are large national chains or small local shops. So, how much does a brake job cost? The parts required and the kind of car you drive will determine the cost of a brake job. In addition, there are significant differences in labor costs between urban and rural areas based on where you live. Typically, the brake pads cost around $150 per axle. When labor is involved, the price might reach $250 or above. Given these costs, a four-wheel brake repair may cost $400 or more. If the rotors need to be changed, expect to pay an additional $100 per axle for parts and an additional hour or two of labor. It is reasonable to assume that the cost will increase by $200 or more per axle as a result. And there you have it, folks. Finding affordable brake repairs is a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow drivers. Stay safe on the road, and happy motoring. Car Wrench Money Bag.